Hey, it's Mark over here at Berkshire Hathaway Beach Properties of Florida, and today I'm out at Latitude Margaritaville Watersound here on Panama City Beach. Got a quick update for you. Now, the last update I gave, turn the camera around here, showed the spec houses being constructed over there, and they're making great progress on those. They're building out missing villa floor plans and single families so that they can have some more models to show. But the reason for today, here we go. The first residences under construction. The first people to move in here are projected to move in sometime in September. However, I predict there may be some delays, so I'm predicting quarter 4. But I could be wrong. I hope it's September. That wraps up this update. It's Mark Oberg of Berkshire Hathaway. You can reach me at 404-406-4887 or mark.w.oberg@gmail.com. Little disclaimer, I do not work for the sales center or the developer. Enjoy your day. Bye.